Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to add a friend using the Xbox app on your phone. So you can easily get this through the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and it's just called Xbox app. So sign in with your email address and password associated with your Xbox, and then we can go over to the friends list if we really want. We can go there, and we can find our friends list right here. So we have friends, parties, whatnot. But if we want to go ahead and add a friend, it's very easy to do. Go over to the search icon on the bottom, and then we can just go to people, and then we can type in a name. So let's type in Billy Bob and see if that pops up. Alright, everyone on Xbox named Billy Bob Joe, Billy Bob 02, Billy Bob 36. Let's go ahead and select Billy Bob and go to Add Friends. Now they are going to be on my friends list, and they'll have to accept my friend request back. So you can easily search for anyone under this list and then add them as a friend. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.